All right, we're back. So one of the things we've been trying to figure out is color. And we're going to use the white base slime that we made in the, make your own slime with the borax. So this was the 2 containers that came out of that for the white base. And I picked up this Chef Master 12 color set B, just the liquid food coloring, just to kind of test this out. And I will say, like, I've played around with this already, but the food coloring or liquid coloring works better on the white base than it does on the clear slime. For the clear slime, any type of like pigment coloring, the powder works really well in the clear slime. But just wanted to kind of give you guys a look and kind of see what this looks like. So we'll get started. I don't think I'm going to do all 12, obviously. So let's see here. Let's do the neon bright blue. We'll do the turquoise. We'll do the neon bright pink. And one more. We'll do the neon bright orange. So we'll do 4. Let's see here. There's all the other colors that come with it. It's really not bad. I can't remember. I think I've got it off of Amazon, honestly. So this again was the white base we made. And what I'll do is, and put freaking gloves on this time. I've done this a couple of times without gloves, and it walking around with like bright orange and bright blue fingers for the rest of the day. People looking at me like I'm weird at work, but it is what it is. So we got 4. So what we'll do is 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know what? I don't even know if I've opened all of these. Okay. This one is good. Put a dab. And you do not need a lot. I think the first time I did this, I was like, and I mean, like 1 drop goes a million miles. So we'll throw 1 drop in there, and then we'll do the turquoise. We'll do a drop maybe. Like you really don't need a ton. And we'll do the pink, neon bright pink. Hopefully you can see that. And we'll do one over here on the orange. Now, we'll fold this in. Hopefully, you guys can see this start to kind of pull. This white base is a little overactivated, but that's okay. Really just kneading it in. Cool. Yeah. I say a little overactivated might be a wrong statement there. So you can see there, it's already that blue. This poor slime. Let's try that again. Oh. I'm really just working it in. I like this color. It's not bad. It's definitely, it's like a sky blue almost. I bet if we put some more in there, it'll turn darker. But let's try that in a second. So this is the turquoise. And just kind of slowly pulling that together. This slime is definitely A little overactivated. But you get the gist. You get the gist. Just seeing what color comes out, so we know when we make a big batch, kind of an idea of what color it will be. And this is actually a lot darker. It's kind of hard to see. Well, I'm trying to make sure I show you guys because I got my gloves on. And again, I did this without gloves, and it is highly a mess. A little bubble pop. It's not bad. I like the turquoise. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. So that's the turquoise. I think this one was the neon bright pink. So you can see here, I'm getting some of that turquoise coloring off the glove. And all right, we're back. Freaking battery died. Can't make this stuff up. Anyways, so the blue is actually looking pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I like it. And the turquoise got way darker. Probably been sitting for like an hour while I was charging the battery. But let me throw some gloves on real quick. Got some gloves. So what I'm going to do though is I'm going to add the neon bright pink. I'm just going to add one more dab back in this just because it's been sitting for an hour. And we'll do the same for the orange. We'll do one drop there. And then let's mix this in. And this poor white base slime is so overactivated. But we'll get the gist of it because really we want to see what color it is. So before we do a big batch, and we kind of see what colors there are. So it's not too bad. It's I really like this pink. It's a nice color. And let's see. I mean, for it being overactivated, it's got a good stretch to it. I don't know. I mean, hopefully you guys can see that color pretty well. Yeah, I like the pink. I really like the turquoise. The turquoise turned out really freaking, like I love that turquoise color. Like it's a great color. It's a great color. And I've seen people use like paint and stuff to do this, like acrylic paint. We'll have to try that out. But the food coloring seems to work. All right, let's do the last one. We'll do the orange. This is the bright orange. I got some pink's gonna show up a little bit because it's on my gloves. Again, the reason I put this stuff on my gloves because I've done this without gloves and walking around with my hands completely. Look at that. Look at that. It is everywhere. Oh, I don't know. This one is like super overactivated. It's really sticky. Let's see if we can fold it in now. This poor slime. Here, let's see if I can get a good stretch. There we go. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. It seems that just because these two sat for like an hour while I was charging the battery to finish up this video, the color actually got darker compared to like what it's mixed in right now. So that's the orange. I like the orange. It's not bad. I prefer it a little darker, but looking for that pop. So, and then the pink. Pink's already kind of coming in. It's not bad. It's not bad. I like it. I say we mix them all together. Why not, right? Like if we're gonna see here, throw the pink in there. We'll throw the that's actually kind of cool. Yes, I mean, once it folds, you're not gonna be able to. I mean, once it all mixes together, I should say it's probably gonna be like a brown mess. I doubt it'll be any good looking color, you know, compared to what the other four were. But I mean, yep, see, it's already starting to be that color there. But there you go. So not too bad. So we did the neon bright blue, the turquoise, and the neon bright pink, as well as the neon bright orange. I liked all of them, honestly. I just got to figure out some slimes to put with them. So, and this was the Chef Master food coloring. So you guys can see that there. I think I picked that off of Amazon. They got a couple of different boxes just to try it out. And this was the white base that we make. The clear, usually using a pigment for the clear, but the white base and the food coloring works really, really well, as you guys saw in this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Tune in next time. We'll have some more videos posted, and we hope you guys have a great day.